Bitcoin is going to make the majority of people lose all of their money. And I don't want it to happen to you. And I'm going to explain to you what you should be doing right now so you don't end up like all of those people. My name is Steve. Hit that subscribe button. There's only one day left to go. Largest sale of the year. Go to cryptocrewuniversity.com. Do not miss out on this. This is your opportunity with that all-in-one bundle to recover those losses, dominate your trades, have a lot less stress. I've been where you are, and I know how to take you to where I am. One-time payment gets immediate access and lifetime access. Take my program at your own speed. Reach out to me 24/7 with any questions you have. cryptocrewuniversity.com. The clock is ticking. Don't miss out. Now, I'm going to explain some charts happening right here. But what happens in crypto is right now, you probably feel the largest urge to just give up. It's probably the largest urge or sense to give up that you've ever had. If this is your first bear market, it's certainly the strongest feeling you had that you're like, you know what? I'm just going to give up. This is too stressful. It's too much. I'm too overwhelmed. I'm going to give up. What often happens in market cycles is they play with your emotions. And usually right when the market is around the bottom, it's your highest urge to give up. It's really funny because when the market is at an all-time high, it's your highest urge to buy more. And that's human psychology, and humans have never done well historically with money because we have these things called emotions, and emotions are a money killer. If you want to kill your money, be like everybody else and be too emotional. But I guarantee when we're up at 50,000, 60,000, you had the strongest sense to buy. You wanted to buy more because you didn't want to miss out. What if it kept going up like everybody said it was going to? So those senses are what is going to destroy your portfolio. And I want to paint a clear picture here with the stochastic RSI on the monthly chart. Bitcoin right now is nowhere near recovery, meaning to be completely out of the bear market and to start a bull market, we're still far away, right? We know that Bitcoin may, or the crypto market may have just double bottom, but we're not out of the woods yet. We're not even close. And this chart that I'm just explaining to you right now is going to tell us, because when the stochastic RSI, this blue line and this orange line cross above this 20 level here, we're going to throw a party, because that's when the bear market is over and that's the start of the next bull run. And you can look no further than the facts in the charts. When the blue line and orange line crossed here, right here at this candle, that was literally the point to buy at, where the turmoil was over and the start of the next rally came. Same here. End of the bear market, start of the bull market was right here. And one may say, okay, Bitcoin has some bullish divergence. Let's hypothetically say that plays out. Let's hypothetically say our 2-week stochastic RSI continues to point to the upside and we continue to have momentum come to the market. If all signs point to, hey, we're going into a rally, to get from here up to here at the fastest rate, it would take several months. Several months. Look no further than here. We're in this turmoil, right? Nobody knew what was going on, and we had this blue line cross up in February. Suddenly February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September. It wasn't until October that we actually crossed up. Remember, we said back here in February, right? It takes months to get from where we are up here. Many, many months. So is Bitcoin close to being out? No. What you want to do in the meantime is you need to stay level-headed. And I will say this again. Bitcoin right now around 17,000. Can it go a lot lower? Sure. But what we know based on facts in the charts and the movement of Bitcoin over its entire 13-year history in all of the data, we can say that there's a high probability the price will double from here in the next 5 years. And if you have that mindset, it's irrelevant if we go down further or go down further a lot. And it's irrelevant because you need to control your emotions. If you're in the day to day to Bitcoin and you're always looking at, hey, is price going up? Is price going down? Am I losing money? Am I making money? And all the stress and agony, and it's a roller coaster, and there's fear and there's greed and there's all sorts of FUD, and bear markets are full of FUD, and it's going to be a roller coaster for you. You need to take a deep breath to get rid of all of those emotions. You switch your mindset to have a 5-year time horizon. You're only focused on 5 years from now, and you want to double your money within 5 years, and you buy somewhere around 17,000 and you sell at 34, no matter what the hell the market is doing. Any investor or trader would give their right arm to double their money, and you can set a time period and you can do it. It's likely that Bitcoin will go to 34,000 within 5 years from now. So why deal with all the stress of the day to day? Why deal with it? Why do you need it? You don't need it. So if you're thinking about giving up, that's my solution for you. Don't let Bitcoin lose all your money. Don't let that happen. That's pure emotion, and I just gave you a hell of a solution, right? You buy Bitcoin and you be patient for 5 years. It doesn't matter what Bitcoin does tomorrow, the next day, next week, next month. You're only looking at, you're going to sell at 34K, and that's all you're doing, right? So these markets are funny. Every bear market, it'll be your strongest sense to sell, to give up, because it's too stressful, it's too emotional. All of those feelings that you're feeling are just emotions, right? You have to get those emotions intact, which is my course is better than anything at controlling your emotions, giving you step by step how to do it in a step by step formula that you can follow. But again, if money is tight and you don't have money to take my courses, that's perfectly fine. You come here and you get a lot of value. Or you can do my courses on a 12-month payment plan, which is at the checkout. But again, you've got to learn how to control your emotions, whether you do it with me or on your own. That is the key. That is the absolute key. So I wanted to paint a clear picture that things are starting to look good in the crypto space, that we could be turning a small corner, but this takes time. Bear markets are methodical, they're slow moving, and even if all systems were a go today, it would take many, many months to get up here. I wanted to paint this clear picture. Let me know in the comments down below. I'll see you right back here in the next video.